how to turn off slow phone animations on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to speed up your device by adjusting the animation skills in developer options on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on About Phone. From there, tap on Software Information and then tap on Build Number 7 times in a row until you see a message saying Developer Mode has been enabled. At this point, go back to the main settings page and scroll down to find developer options, which should now be visible. In the next step, tap on developer options and scroll down until you reach the drawing section. Following this, you'll find 3 animation scale options: window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Once done, tap on Window Animation Scale first. By default, it'll be set to 1x. From here, if you want to simply speed up the animations, select 0.5x to make everything feel snappier and more responsive. At this stage, if you want to completely get rid of animations altogether, select Animation Off instead. After this, go back and tap on Transition Animation Scale and set it to the exact same value you chose for the first one. Once completed, tap on Animator Duration Scale and again set it to the same value as the previous 2. Finally, go back to your home screen and navigate around your phone to feel the difference in speed and smoothness. And that's it. If this Samsung guide helped you speed up your phone by turning off slow animations, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.